We're here in Canton, Connecticut this morning. We're about to build a little 10 by 12 post and beam barn. We've built barns all over Connecticut and the surrounding area for the last 30 years. I designed and developed different products and different ways of doing things. And one of the most important things we're going to talk about today is our post and beam framing connectors. I think it's a really good way to put a building together, and I think you're going to be very impressed. We're back at the shop, and I'm very anxious to show you how quickly and easily these connectors work to assemble a frame. We're going to use several different connectors. This is the longer connector is for a horizontal and a diagonal connector, and this is for a straight horizontal connector. So I'll show you how they work and how easy it is to put this frame together. Once we located where the bracket has to be positioned on the vertical post, we simply screw it on. All the connectors have been installed. Our pieces have been notched and drilled to accept the locking pins. And this is as easy as it is. We take our pins, we drive them into these holes, and they go through the bracket. But they don't go through the wood. The wood, they stop about a ½ inch before they reach the opposite side. And the reason we do that is when we stand this wall up, that's going to be the interior of the building. So you're not going to see any fasteners on the interior of the building. It gives it a nice, clean look. And it's a pretty easy thing to do from here. All in all, I'm very pleased with the way things went on this job, but more importantly, our customer is very pleased. Also, I'd like to thank Kevin Jeffco from Jeffco Productions. Did an excellent job on the video. Now that you've seen how well our connectors work, we look forward to hearing from you.